Hi there, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Garcia. Today are going to be learning on box 2 of our learning board. Now on box 2 of our learning board, we're going to watch the read aloud, which is Henry and Mudge. And it asks you, what was the author's purpose for writing this story? Explain your answer. Now remember, when we're talking about author's purpose, we would be talking about whether the author's trying to persuade you, to inform you, to entertain you, to explain something to you, or to describe something to you. Now let's quickly talk about what that means. Remember, persuade is trying to convince you of something. To inform you is to kind of give you information. That would be like a nonfiction book. You would have facts, maybe about an animal. Explain something. Maybe they're giving you steps on how to make a PB&J sandwich. Entertain. The author writes something for the reader to enjoy, like a fiction book with characters. And describe would be something that they use your 5 senses, like an essay about the sounds of waves hitting up against the beach, okay? But today we're going to focus on the author's purpose to entertain, okay? Now, last time we did this, we were talking about how to persuade. Today we're going to talk about entertain, okay? Now, remember, to entertain is basically something that is enjoyable. That means that you like it. Something that holds suspense. So suspense would be like if you're reading a story chapter book and it stops and you don't know what's going to happen next, and you're very, very, very excited and captivated by the book that you just want to keep reading to find out what happens. That's suspense. Makes you laugh. Maybe it's a funny book. Hold your attention. That means that you really like the book and you really want to know what happens at the end. Now, some books that are meant to entertain you would be fiction books. Now remember, fiction means that they are not real, right? A fiction book would be something like Pete the Cat, Amelia Bedelia, those types of things. Novels, maybe poetry or short stories. Now we're going to talk about this little girl down here. She says, "My name is Ellie. I like to entertain everyone around me." So notice how Ellie has a smile on her face. She looks really happy. So if the author is trying to entertain you, then we would know that because it's going to be about a story, maybe about something that's happening. They might make you sad. They might make you happy at the same time. So really look out for these aspects of your book. And think about, whenever you're answering the question, how can I explain my answer? What was the author's purpose for writing Henry and Mudge, and how can I explain my answer? Okay. Remember that you are going to write complete sentences. They should start with a capital letter. You should have finger spaces in between. And you should have a punctuation at the end of your sentences. I hope you all have a great day and that you enjoy learning. Bye-bye.